In this video, we'll fix when wsreset doesn't work in Windows. You get an error when resetting the Microsoft Store. To fix this, search for PowerShell. Run it as administrator. Run this command to refresh all pre-installed Windows apps. You can ignore any errors. They happen because some apps are being used. When finished, run this command to find and fix system files. Finally, restart your computer. The error is now gone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.